The Golf setup would be changing a lot. Fucking cock. You son of a bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck is going on here? Holy fucking put that on there. This guy go to Jiffy Lube? Oh my god. Cocksucker. So we get the motor on the engine stand. That's why we started with the rear main seal, so we don't gotta go back to that step. Now you want to strip the whole block, basically keep nothing but the oil filter housing. You could even take that off if you want to reseal it. Right now we're taking the turbo, everything off. We're gonna have to take the tandem pump, everything on the other side as well. Coolant pipes, got the pulley off, set it to top dead center, and then taking all the front covers and cleaning it. And then we're getting ready to take the timing belt off. So at this point, the motor's all stripped, ready to go. Now we gotta remove set the motor to top dead center, and then we're going to remove the timing belt. We're going to remove the lower pulley. Since we're doing the cam, we're going to take the cam gear off too. And we're going to also remove the lower cover and start removing the pulley for the oil pump drive gear. We're going to get ready to replace that and plug the hole once the balance shaft is removed. And then we're going to install the new oil pump. We've got all our parts right here, ready to go. Got a drive gear, we got a chain, we got a tensioner, 4-bar map sensor. What's that doing there? A new oil pump. Hopefully all the bolts. So I got the cranks bolt loose. We're roughly at top dead center. The hole is lined up in here. We're going to loosen the cam, loosen the tensioner, take this all off. We're going to flip the motor upside down and we're going to start on the oil pump. So I start with usually pulling the lower idler out, and then I loosen the tensioner, and then it's easier to work the belt off or on, whichever way you're going. Then we pull the puller out for the cam gear. Yoink, take that off. And then a little test fit GTB 2260. I take the cover off the lower portion to expose the gear. Once we get that off, we're gonna pull out another puller. Or sorry, we gotta take the chain and tensioner off, all that first. Then once you got that free, you're gonna pull out the other puller for the drive sprocket. So this one's actually broken. There's like a chunk missing here. This is supposed to sit on here. And something's obviously not right with this piece. So yeah, I finished taking the chain off. And then I start taking the balance shaft bolts out. Remove the whole balance shaft, get rid of that so we're not using it anymore. Now that we got that out of the way, we start finally pulling this drive sprocket off. Get ready for the new one. Couldn't imagine doing this without the right puller. It's definitely worth buying if you plan on doing a few of these motors. Then we start drilling out and tapping the hole that usually sends oil to the balance shaft, so you got to plug that. And then once I was done messing around in there, I flipped the motor back over and put oil into the engine's pickup so that it forces oil out of that hole and then blows any debris out. So we got the hole tapped. We need a plug now. I forgot. I didn't realize I didn't have it because I bought the parts individually. I didn't buy a balance shaft delete kit. So I gotta go get a 1/8-27 plug. And then that's good to put together and seal up. I could do the oil pump for now. So we're just heating up the gear. We're getting ready to put it on.
Featuring cameraman Gordette here.
Okay, we're gonna take this hot gear and we're gonna stick it on there.
We're in the boiler.
We're in the boiling oil. Hopefully
Not
it's
even
hot
boiling
enough.
yet. You see the sizzle?
Well, it was boiling.
Deep fried fucking gears.
Oh, that one worked really good. I'm gonna give it a little tap just to make sure, but that slipped right on perfectly that time. Seems good, eh? So we just use this to clean up the tandem pump and water jacket area here. Everything's all cleaned up compared to how it was. I'm going to take this off, pull the cam out now. And I just realized I'm missing the bolts for the oil pump. I need to order some of those, and I want to get an OEM seal. So I'm going to get one of those. Got that on there. Got the plug in there. It's a different style, but it'll clear the windage tray, so that's okay.